Welcome to the Deluxe Makeup Studio, inspirations for color cosmetics. We are going to show you step by step how to create a classy glowing appearance with Deluxe. Today with makeup artist Carsten from Germany, who will show you how to accentuate your face shape in the best possible way by using the right shading technique.
Every woman wants a perfect looking face. I will show you how your face contours can be perfectly accentuated with the right products and right application technique. I start with the Radiant Skin Primer. I apply the primer with the foundation brush to smooth out the skin and to make the makeup last longer. In addition, the complexion looks fresh and radiant. After this, I apply the bright highlighter Color Ginger No. 2 below the eyes and a little bit on the eyelid itself. This covers redness and shadows perfectly. Using the perfect smooth compact foundation, Color Porcelain No. 1, I visually define specific areas of the face in a favorable way. I recommend the foundation color to be 2 shades lighter than the actual color of the complexion. I start with the forehead and apply a large V using the foundation brush and fill it in. Then I accentuate the nose bridge with a line. Under the eyes, I draw a large V as well, starting at the inner corner of the eye and drawing a line with the brush to the level of the tip of the nose. Then, I draw the line back up to the outer corner of the eye and fill in the inner part of the V. I draw additional lines at the corner of the mouth and lastly add a large dot onto the chin. To give the face depth and expression, I use the compact foundation Color Beige Noisette No. 5. This color should be up to 2 shades darker than the actual skin tone. I start at the temples and then move to the cheekbones and chin, placing the brush on the outer part of the forehead and drawing an inverted E along the hairline down to the jaw. To visually shape the nose, I apply the dark tone along both sides of the nose and onto the tip of the nose. Then I shape the outer neckline with 2 long strokes. Finally, I blend the 2 colors, thoroughly working from the center of the face outwards. In the next step, I apply the Hollywood Power Duo color. Using the LR by Da Vinci powder brush, I generously apply the yellow powder under the eyes to neutralize shadows. Then I shade the parts of the face which need light and freshness with the purple color. In this case, I apply color to the bridge of the nose, above the cheekbones, to the forehead triangle, above the lip, and to certain points on the chin. Finally, I draw beautiful dark contours below the cheekbones using the Sun Dream bronzer. The perfectly modeled face is finished.
A face with defined contours looks symmetric and feminine. Besides, the complexion is perfectly smoothened and prepared for additional makeup steps. More inspirations and looks by internationally leading stylists in the Deluxe Makeup Studio can be found in the next video on the LR YouTube channel.